after what we've heard just now, we can take it forward with the government, and hopefully this course will be, very fruitful. The government will encourage the movement of this course and encourage students to take up this course. And by and large, the results, they get absorbed in schools, in rehab centers, in many areas of addiction. And my dream
then his certification delays, then he needs little more training for that, and then at last the certification is done. I think that.
But the thing is, it will be like you all are there, they are constantly being guided. What I feel is that we should be independently be able to do.
Especially in the field of addiction counselling, which is why we started this course in addiction counselling, which you will see we have tried to make it as comprehensive as possible. We have trained people, we have qualified people to take the different lectures and the demonstrations and the supervision, and you will see for yourself. Thank you.
In the form of lectures and demonstrations, which will be taken by the psychiatrists, clinical psychologists, counsellors, including the pastoral counselling also. Now, practical teaching will be in the form of interactive sessions with our inpatient, with case presentations and discussions. Continuous assessments will be there in the form of mock test.
Well, I do agree with Dr. Ghosh for the evaluation sheet when the student has gone out for a practical with other institutes. Just that. But otherwise, everything is good. With regards to the fees, I think it's good enough because it's been mentioned there for 2 installments. So 2 installments is good enough, I guess, for any student to come forward.
But we are missing out on the transportation fees and the fooding. So if that is inclusive, that will come to
30,000 for 3 months. So I think everything is fine, but I just want to clarify about that one, about the fees. It's 30. So can we reduce a little bit from that? Like it's free about this one, yes.
It's 10,000 per month.
10,000 per month, right? And then that is admission fees.